to present to you your slime star! Hercules! Come on up. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I'm going to need your help. Everybody out there, I'm going to need your help too. Put 2 hands in the air and say, bring down the simulator Supreme! Oh, yeah. Here we go, fellas. You're going to stand right over here in the pool. Come and have a seat. We're going at the same time. Same time. Have a seat there. Right on in the okay. All right, now big buddy, you're going to take this arm. You're going to slap it over like this. Now get real close. Get real close. There you go. This is so dark. Oh, God. It's so cute. All right. I need everybody to chant with me. Slide, 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 slide. Oh man, it's Booger-palooza. Look at this. Hey. Ooh, watch out. Ooh, that's toxic. We don't want none of that on us. Holy. Whoa. Hey,
stop.
All right, here we go. I gotta ask you a question. Hey, buddy. I gotta ask you a question. Would you ever do this again? Okay, over here. Would you ever do this again?
Totally.
All right. So we're going to get you guys all situated. We're going to start with you.